gonna read Tow Truck Joe. I know this is one of Warren's favorite books, so I'm pretty sure Bowen would like it too. Here we go. Tow Truck Joe, and it's written by June Sobel. She's the author, and the pictures are drawn by Patrick Corrigan. Okay, let's read this together. Joe the tow is on the go. All day long he honks, hello. A fix-it truck for small and large tows cars and trucks to his garage. Patch's pup sniff out trouble so Joe can help out on the double. That's his little pup. Driving up and down the street, Joe sees cars and trucks to greet. The cookie cart is in a rush. There's the cookie cart, but stuck inside the traffic crush. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Joe moves on and honks hello. Can you spot where Joe is in this traffic jam? He's right there, and that's his little pup in the back. Patch the pup carries out a yelp. That car won't start. Joe can help. Tow truck arrives before too long. Patch lifts the hood to see what's wrong. Joe can fix it. He is able. Joe connects his jumper cable. That's the jumper cable. Car engines hums and happy songs. The fix-it tow trucks moves along. The fire engine sirens yell. The ice cream truck rings a bell. Ding, 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 ding. The milk truck. I wonder where the milk truck is. Is this the milk truck? Oh, I see it right here. The milk truck is running late. The grocery truck cannot wait. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Joe moves on and honks hello. Patch the pup cries out a yelp. A tire's flat. Joe can help. The mail truck tire is out of air. Joe the tow has a spare, so he has a spare tire. The wheel is fixed and spins around when Joe the tow hears a sound. Screech! Uh-oh, I wonder what's happening. Screech, bang, crunch, crash. Oh, I see something flying up here. Joe races over in a flash. The milk truck sped, a cart was struck, full of cookies. What bad luck! All the cookies now are crushed just because the milk truck rushed. Look at the pile of cookies. Cookie crumb piles fill the road. Joe honks to take time out. No trucks beep, no trucks pout. Engine grumble, traffic slowed. One for the all for one. We can fix it, let's have fun. Joe and friends act with haste. No cookies crumbs will go to waste. I wonder what they're gonna do with all those cookies. The grocery truck knows what to bring. Sugar and vanilla, just the thing. Patch the pup, always a fixer. Pour some milk into the mixer. The mixer stirs round and round and round. Trucks all watch without a sound. The ice cream truck's bell ring twice. Ding ding. Her freezer's empty and cold as ice. Patch sniffs and licks. It's not a dream. It's a cookie crunch, their new ice cream. Trucks all follow Patch and Joe, driving carefully, going slow. A busy day comes to an end, and for Joe, the toe, a good friend. They're all sharing the ice cream. The end. They're resting now. Good night. Tow Truck Joe.